Here is how to use Shopify for email marketing. You should already be logged in to your Shopify admin, so begin by making sure you are working in the correct store before you continue. If you manage more than one store, this is the point where it is worth checking the store name so the sign up form is added to the right storefront. From the left side of the admin, click Apps. In that area, open the option to browse apps or view recommended apps, then continue to the Shopify App Store. Once the App Store opens, use the search bar to look for a pop-up app or an email sign-up app, depending on the wording used in the results. Take a moment to review the available options, then select the pop-up or email capture app you want to use. Open the app listing, install it on your Shopify store, and complete any prompts required during the setup process. Some apps ask for permission to connect with your store or to add theme support, so work through those screens until the installation is finished. After the app has been added, return to your Shopify admin, open Apps again, and select the app you just installed. This should take you to the app dashboard. From there, find the option to create a sign-up form and click it. On the next screen, click Create Form, then choose Pop-up as the form type so the form appears as a pop-up on your storefront. Next, choose one of the available pop-up templates. The template gives you the starting layout, and from there you can adjust the content to match the type of message you want visitors to see. Edit the pop-up text, including the heading, the sign-up message, the email field label, if the app allows it, and the button text. Keep the wording aligned with the offer or message you want shown when customers arrive on your store. Once the text is in place, move to the design settings, update the pop-up colors and any other available design options so the form matches the look of your Shopify store. Depending on the app, you may also see controls for fonts, spacing, images, or button styling. Use the settings that are available in that app and keep the design consistent with your storefront. After the design is set, open the pop-up trigger settings. This is where you choose when the pop-up appears, set it to display after a time delay, on exit intent, or based on whichever trigger options the app provides and you want to use. Finally, review the pop-up, then click Save or Publish, depending on the app. Once it is published, the pop-up will be live on your Shopify storefront and ready to collect customer email signups for your email marketing. Thanks for watching. Your Shopify storefront now has a published pop-up form collecting email signups for your email marketing.